Two Morgans. Very uncomfy. Mind you, I've only ever been in one, and that was a very old one. But my God, had absolutely no suspension I could determine at all. Trying to remember what engine it had in it. Such a long time ago. Getting busier now. It could be the schools are throwing out. There are schools at the bottom of this lane. Nothing behind. I just wanted to pull in here, have a quick look. Yeah, nice and quiet. Right, stop and carry on, as Steve would say. That's where the Cotswolds start, and that's where the Cotswold Way runs across the top for 70 or 80, well, 60 or 70 miles. It's the little bike with its lovely new top box. This is quite an interesting place. Lovely gate. Look at the carving. What a beautiful oak. Stunning. Just a graveyard now, but once upon a time this was a church, and the only thing left is that tower and these few gravestones. So it's obviously quite old. They refurbished the tower, but they took the church down, and you can see here where the church used to be. Let's see what this, to the memory of Thomas Partridge of this parish, yeoman who departed this life 1827, aged 80 years. He's been dead an awful long time. So this is obviously early Victorian. Most of these gravestones beautifully carved. Look at this. Beautiful thing. Hourglass to denote the passing of one's life. And there's the tower. And up in the sky, buzzards. 1, 2, 3, 4 above and 1 below. 5 buzzards. Probably can't see them on this camera. Funny little bit they left at the end. Wasn't a huge church, but it's got a